Good morning, guys. Today we've got here NUBIA Z60 Ultra, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message or any other area where you can input some text. So this is the panel that we need to open. Once you've got your keypad open, mark Settings, select Languages, and click on plus icon to choose the language that you want to use. You can either scroll all the way down till you find the particular language, or just mark search button and provide it here. Tap on done. And let me stay with both languages for now. As you can see, now this word icon appear here, and smoothly by tapping here, you can switch between both languages. However, if you have one language only, so let me go back to languages again. I will remove Chinese. Once you've got one language only, this icon disappears and you've got access to this language only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.